What's up, guys? So I'm working on the Cobra again, but in the last video we figured out why my alternator wasn't charging the battery correctly. The power steering reservoir was cracked, so it was leaking power steering fluid onto the belt and then shooting that straight into the alternator. So today I got a new tank here, or a new reservoir for the power steering, so we're just going to throw that in. And then I'm going to jack the car up again, clean the alternator out because I went for a drive and got it all dirty again. So hopefully this will kind of fix our problem. So if you guys didn't see, I'll show again. When this pulley exploded, it shattered up into this and cracked it. When this heats up, it would expand and then all the fluid would just spill out. So just going to throw the new one on now. Okay, got that on there real good. There we go. That's nice. Holes all the way up there, that one's good. Now the big one. Okay, we are good. Started. This one's a little bit nicer than the factory one. The factory one has got a little bit, well, it's probably just old, but this one looks like you can see the fluid a little bit better. So that I like. Alright, so we got some ETF fluid. Just gonna throw in here. Okay. Yeah, this one's really easy to see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the car, turn it off, start it, turn it off, just to see, I don't want to suck any air through here, so. All right, well, we're under the car here. Just gonna spray all this fluid off and everything again. Electric cleaner. And I'm going to spray this right into the alternator. Okay, just going to leave the cap off. Okay, we drank a little bit of it. Just going to add some more. Okay, now I'm just going to start it and take the cap off. Start it and turn the wheel back and forth. See if we can get any air bubbles out if there are any. Alrighty, so got the new reservoir in. It looks good. I can actually see the level a little bit easier, which is kind of nice to have. And the voltage seems to be where it needs to be, 14.4, 14.5, and kind of in between there. I do get a slight dip sometimes down into the 13s, so the alternator could still be on its way out, but for now, it seems to be doing okay. So anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next video.